So this is our first glimpse at the edge of the Grand Canyon. We're just on the rim trail right here, getting ready to drop down into that thing. Wow. Hi. You know, your mind just isn't really prepared for what a hole in the ground that is. Oh man. Okay, so we just rode down the switchbacks from the top of the Grand Canyon. You've seen some of the footage there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of feel like I'm pretty, daring, risky kind of guy. That got a little tight in a couple of places. And it's just there were so many people. Just all of a sudden there was people everywhere and they were trying to figure out how and where to be on the trail, and oh man, everything got kind of backed up, but man, what an intense ride. So yeah, did you know you can just bring your horse out to the Grand Canyon and ride down into the Grand Canyon? Yeah, you can. You can just do that. It's a day trip. Wow, what a trip. So yeah, enjoy the footage, and man, glad I ditched work and come out here. Oh, wait a minute, I am working. Huh. Okay. Yeah, there's lots of adrenaline shots on this trail. Yeah, I thought, oh, it's just down. Yeah, Sheriff is like walking on this line, and whew, I'm glad he's confident. I might not be as much. Alright, we're headed back out now of the canyon. We went down about, not even quite halfway. But as far as just the exploratory and checking this out, we got to experience. Oh man, what a wonderful, wonderful ride. That nice little snowstorm just kind of roll off the top right here. We're about almost to the top of the canyon. We're gonna get out of here before this sets in.